I am Pawan. I am presenting task 4 of my internship in the Sparks Foundation. Exploratory data analysis on the global terrorism dataset. As a security or defense analyst, we will try to find out the hot zone of terrorism. Here is a dataset link. First, we import all useful libraries here, then import dataset by the use of pandas. Here we exploring data. Here renaming columns according to our need and select the useful columns here. By the use of head function, we see here top 5 rows of the dataset. Then we use shape function to see counting of rows and columns. Here are some basic info of data. Then we will check null values present in dataset or not. We found here some null values. Then we replace all null values here. Then we will check a statistical summary of the dataset by the use of describe function. Next we check unique values present in each column. Then we move towards exploratory data analysis. First we will check number of attacks occurred in each year. Here we find out 2012 to 2017 attack is more than other years. In the year 2014 is very high attacks. Then we will check attacks in months. Here we found in the most of the attacks in the month of May. Then we will use crosstab to check terrorist activity by region every year. Here we found Middle East and North Africa region has more attacks. Then we check number of attacks country wise. Here we found Iraq has more attacks followed by Pakistan. Then we will finding people died due to attacks in every year. In year 2014 higher number of people is died. Then we will check attacks per areas. Here we found attacks on private citizen and property is high followed by military bases. Then we will find number of people wounded and attack types here. So we found here bombing and explosion has mostly used for attacks. Then we check top 10 cities affected by the use of pie chart. Here we see Baghdad has a more affected city from terror attacks. Then we will check a top 10 terrorist group as per attack count. Here we found Taliban has more attacks followed by ISIL. Then we will check a top 10 terrorist group as per kills. So we found here ISIL has more kills followed by Taliban. Here is our observation and result. We found here Iraq is a country with most attack. City with most attack is Baghdad. Region with most attack is Middle East and North Africa. Year with most attack is 2014. Most month with most attack is May. Then group with most attack is Taliban. Most attack types is bombing or explosion. Here is our finding. Thanks a lot.